Hey, it's Nick from T7 Training. I'm at the Washington Mall in Washington DC. There's the Washington Monument behind me, and over the other side we've got the Lincoln Memorial, all of which is frozen at -3 degrees. And you can see the reflecting pool behind me is frozen as well, and people are having a bit of a walk over that. Hey, today's tip is for Microsoft Word. In Microsoft Word, if you want to select a sentence, you can just hold the control button on the keyboard and then click the sentence once, and that will select the whole sentence from the start of the sentence to the full stop, which is great if you're trying to, say, make a sentence italics, if it's, for example, a reference, or if you're doing some editing and you want to delete a sentence, just control click the sentence, press delete on the keyboard, and it's done. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week for next week's T7 tip.